prior to boarding. Same with any food. No open food is permitted on the train. Also, anyone with a rider under.
Any of you guys have that thing where you wake up in the morning and see the rain and cry?
Cheer up, Bill. You'll be dead soon. Looks like the end of days is upon us. See?
Hold on, I think we're going from flood watch to flood warning. The National Weather Service reports water levels in the upper Brazos River are rising dangerously, causing floodwaters to be for all low-lying areas, including Highland and Travis County. Okay, evacuation plan A, everyone. I want an orderly, efficient egress to the shelter at Tom Landry Middle School.
Get out of my way, boomer!
Ski? Oh no. You know what that means, right? What is it? It means Bad Monogram likes to play scaredy pansies on us. Scaredy pansies? Scaredy pants, you. Oh no. It's the first week of HalloWeekends. I totally forgot. Oh, what am I thinking? What are we gonna do now? Bad Monogram's not here right now and we're screwed. Hang on. As long as we're here, let's be great. Sodor Fallout episode 18 is up next.